Okay.
Okay, so when I'm in Okala, it's Tembu. Yes. Ushuthi ungasibamba Ken. Yes. Yebo. Everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for amazing support. And if you're new, you're welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss anything that I'm going to upload next on this channel. Well, guys, the congratulations messages are pouring in for Vuyokazi Nguqu, known as Vovo. Early this year, Vovo told her followers that she was pregnant, she was expecting a baby, and now the cat is out of the box. Vovo and the two guys, Tandazani and Shoda, will be having a reality show called Short and Sweet that will be aired on Channel 161 Mzansi Magic from the 7th of July 2022. The trio have a same condition called dwarfism. We will get to know them better, guys, and learn a lot about their condition and lifestyle. Picking the few comments on Instagram, the first person said, "Congratulations, babes," and the other one said, "Halala Vovo, halala, fly that flag, baby girl. Hi, and the Savoy celebrate. Congratulations. I can't wait to watch this. Congratulations, Vuyokazi. I'm so happy for you. Congratulations, Vovolicious. Congratulations, Vovo, my sweetheart. May the good Lord of mercy and the protection bless you and enlarge your territory." And the other one, guys, we keep on saying we can't wait. Congratulations to her. Again, guys, congratulations to Vovo. We can't wait to see her in action, and we are sure we will enjoy the show. Vovo is so entertaining, guys. If you know her, you know him. We wish her all the best. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.